In this video, I'm going to compare live football streaming on YouTube TV and Sling TV. If you're trying to decide which service is better for watching football, this guide will help you understand their features, pricing, and channel offerings. Let's dive in. When it comes to live football streaming, YouTube TV and Sling TV have distinct differences. YouTube TV offers a more comprehensive package, including major networks like ESPN, Fox, CBS, and NBC, which broadcast most football games. It also provides unlimited cloud DVR storage and supports up to 3 simultaneous streams, all for a flat monthly fee. Sling TV, on the other hand, is more budget-friendly, but has a more limited channel lineup. To access football games, you may need to subscribe to both the Sling Orange and Sling Blue packages, which can increase the cost. Additionally, Sling TV's cloud DVR has a 50-hour limit and requires an additional fee. While YouTube TV is ideal for consistent football fans, Sling TV might appeal to casual viewers looking for specific games or channels. If this video helped you understand the differences between live football streaming on YouTube TV and Sling TV, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.